Hi, I'm Adam and I'm the product lead from Despatch Cloud. And today I'm going to be showing you around our warehousing software. So let's get to it. So when you log in, you'll be greeted by the dashboard. So this is a quick overview of all of your orders within our system, and each tile represents an order status. This is where you can easily manage an overview of where your orders are within your warehouse process. Next, we have our orders. So when you select this, you have your filtering options on the top of the screen. As you can see here, we do have the ability to save filters for easy access next time you're using the system. From here, by filtering, you're then reducing the record showing to make it a lot easier for you to process your first pick run. You have multiple ways that you can process your orders within Despatch Cloud. First process would be picking. You can select one or more orders by selecting this button at the top, and then this brings up this menu here. You come down to print, and you can print either dispatch note, invoice or pick list. If you want to go digital, then we do have the option to create a digital pick run, and that utilizes our app to digital pick your orders. From there, you'll want to process the orders and get the courier labels. You can do that in multiple ways. One way is by selecting the little vehicle on the right hand side menu, and that will take you to our packing terminal, and it will load up that order, and your shipping rules will engage to select the right service that you want a label for, and then by clicking create single shipment you will get your label. We also have an option for batch labels, which helps you process large volume of orders quickly. If you're using the digital app, you can come to the dispatch menu and come to packing, where you will then load into our packing terminal. If you're digital picking, you can scan the item barcodes and the quantities into this search bar using a USB scanner, which will then find the correct order and the items and quantity for you to then load the order on the screen and get the label almost instantly. From there, we're going to go to inventory. This is our inventory section. As you can see, it's nice and clear and straightforward. You can show your images against your products, and we have a stock summary. This is a pop-up summary. So this gives you a global overview of your current stock levels and a breakdown of individual location stock levels as well. If you want a more detailed view, you can simply click on the Manage Inventory option on the right-hand side menu, and this gives you a more detailed view of that individual inventory item, where you can manage the inventory a lot more clearly and store your barcodes, and again get a view of all of your locations. That's Dispatch Cloud. Thank you.